Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Apple on the daily and weekly, so we had a nice increase in volume. Apple proved itself as a bull to start the day, but as SPY saw some weakness towards the end of the day, there was profit taking, and this upper wick does indicate we could see a bit more consolidation tomorrow. So we have resistance here. The high of April 28th was 97.29. The high of today, 97.19. So that's a clear resistance level. And also looking to fill the gap here, the first level of support we'll be looking at is 95.43 from this little gap up today. And then the 50-day, or the middle Bollinger Band, 94.15 support. So we had the bullish MACD cross, that's still trending up. And this is a potential cup and handle pattern. Obviously, it's very early, and this is not a pattern I will ever make a trade based off of, anticipating that it will happen. But it's something to keep an eye on. And what happens is when you have the left side of the cup is higher than the right side. That is important. Otherwise, the psychology of this pattern is not intact. So it's the inability to break that previous resistance that leads to a pullback and a handle forming and then the breakout to the upside. So we'll keep an eye on that potential pattern. It would call for a few days of consolidation to establish some support, fill this gap, and then make a break above 98.11 towards $100. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. The weekly time frame is confirming the bullish reversal candlestick from last week, which is confirming the support hold of the 200-week moving average. And we're heading up to the upper $99 range. When we first saw this support and we first saw some bullish action last week, that was the target we were looking at because of the lack of resistance here on the weekly chart. Upper $90 was our target, and that's where we are currently headed, after perhaps a little bit of some consolidation. So that's what we're looking at for Apple for this week, and we'll keep checking back in. We'll see when we fill this gap and if this is indeed a potential cup and handle bullish pattern. So thanks for tuning in. See you tomorrow. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.